Hello students, question number 5 of exercise 6.4 chapter triangles of class 10. This is question number 5. D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a triangle ABC since DEF are the midpoints of their sides, that triangle. Okay, so suppose now this is the triangle ABC. First of all, let's give the name A, B and C. Since D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides AB, the D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of CA. Okay, now let's join these side. Okay, now our figure is ready. Now we can understand easily. D, E, F are the respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle. The area of triangle this DEF and area of triangle ABC. We have to find out the ratio of their areas. Okay, so first of all, understand few things regarding this question. Since if we see D and F are the midpoints, okay, so and they are joining by the two different sides. So if we recall our midpoint theorem, so according to the midpoint theorem, the connecting midpoints of two sides will definitely parallel to the third side and congruent to the half of the third side, or congruent means equal, means I'm going to explain you. When we are joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle, जब हम दो points को join करते हैं जो midpoint होते हैं किसी triangle की दो side के, तो हमेशा जो लाइन ज्वाइन होती है, जैसे जहाँ पे डी एफ है, दैट विल ऑलवेज इक्वल टू, जो इक्वल होती है हमेशा हाफ ऑफ द बी सी. ओके, हाफ ऑफ द थर्ड थर्ड पॉइंट. इट मीन्स डी एफ विल इक्वल टू, सिंस बी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी सी, सो डी एफ विल इक्वल टू बी. यस, so now if we see E is also the midpoint, so same goes for DE. When we are, just forget that we have joined this, so D is also parallel to AC and half of AC, that is equal to D will equal to CF. So by midpoint theorem, DF is parallel to BC and DF is equal to half of BC, that is equal to BE. Okay, and similarly D is parallel to AC and DE is equal to half of AC, or that is equal to CF. Because we need that CF, that's why we are using CF. D is also equal to AF also. Yeah, same goes for every three sides. Same here, FE is parallel to AB and FE is equal to half of AB, or we can say equal to DB. Okay, so this is by midpoint theorem. Okay, now if we take sorry, first of all, if we have to find out the ratio of the areas of this, there are few things that we can use here. See, we can take the ratios of the sides, because now we since DEF is similar to triangle ABC, how directly we can use that area of triangles of formula, or we can directly show the ratios also. How we can see, I am going to show you. See, if we talk about DE upon AC, if we talk about DF upon BC is equal to DE we have taken EF upon AB. Yes, I hope this is very clear because this is regarding the midpoint theorem. So if we see, if we find the ratios of all the three sides regarding taking the triangle ABC and DEF, okay, we can find these, the ratios are 1:2. How? Because D is half of AC, DF is half of BC, here we have already written, and EF is half of AB. Since the ratio of all the three sides are equal, so it means DEF, triangle DEF is similar to triangle AB and C. Okay, this is the first method. Let me tell you the other method also. If we see, since DF is parallel to BC, EF is parallel to now you can see the figure. DF is parallel to the BC, EF is parallel to AB, and ED is parallel to CA. Okay, we have already proved this by midpoint theorem. Now if we see, this is DFEB is a parallelogram, and if it is parallelogram, so it means the opposite angles are equal to each other. It means angle B will equal to angle F. Yes, and if we see the parallelogram ADEF, so opposite angle A will equal to angle E, and if we see the parallelogram FDEC, so this angle C will equal to this. Yes, now this, all the three angles are of DEF are equal to all the angles of ABC, corresponding angles. So again we can use that DEF is similar to triangle ABC by AAA property. So I am not going to write that one because I have used this one. So we have two methods to prove that DEF is similar to ABC. I hope this is clear to you. So since sides are proportional to each other, so we can use this also. The triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So when we use this, area of triangle ABC upon, we have to find out the areas of DEF. So first of all we can write here, area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to, that theorem is not in the proof. When we are talking about the areas of triangle, when we are taking the areas of two triangles that are already similar to each other, then their sides, ratios of their sides, that is equal to the square of the ratios of their sides. Okay, again I am repeating, when we are taking the areas of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, so they are always equal to the ratios of their side having square. Okay, or we can say square of their ratio of their sides. Okay, so now we can here write DF upon BC whole square. This is a theorem beta, and this is the theorem that the proof is deducted for this year. So I am going to repeat again this theorem because this is very important theorem that we have to use or apply in the solving exercise 6.4 and the 6.5 also. So according to the theorem, when we have two similar triangles and if we find the ratio of their areas, that will always equal to the square of their ratio of their sides. Okay, so now DF is equal to, DF is half of BC, so we can write half of BC upon BC whole square, that is equal to 1 upon 4 because BC will cancel out. Yes, so now we have find out their ratios, that is 1:4. So I hope this question is clear. We have I told you the two different methods was regarding this question because first of all we have to apply the midpoint theorem. That's why, because D, F and E are the midpoints of their sides. Either we can use this because DF is parallel to BC and these or the side EF is parallel to. So by using the parallelogram, so we can say that opposite angles are equal to each other. So by asymmetry rule, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, or directly we find the ratios of their sides, and that are equal to 1/2. When all the ratios are equal, it means these two triangles are similar to each other, and after that we have simplified the by applying the theorem that is regarding the ratio of the areas of triangle, we can find out the ratios. So I hope this is very clear to you. So thank you, students.